This tutorial guides you through adding a due date to a note within the application. You will learn how to synchronize this due date with your Google Calendar for efficient task tracking. In the application LERM, notes, tasks, and activities can be entered. A due date can be set and synchronized with external calendars. The user can view different matters associated with their file to manage related notes and tasks effectively. You can add a note to a specific matter and categorize it to keep your information organized. Finish the telecom task and proceed to complete the document review as part of your workflow. Add a due date to your note by selecting an appropriate date to ensure timely completion. Save the note with the due date, which will then be captured and synchronized with your Google Calendar. Verify that the note and its due date are properly synchronized with your calendar for seamless tracking. Click the Due Date Latest field to specify or update the due date for your note. You will see the note here, and it will also appear in your Google Calendar, confirming successful synchronization. You have successfully added a due date to a note and synchronized it with your Google Calendar. This ensures your tasks are tracked both within the application and your calendar for better time management.